In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group items or bundles in QuickBooks Online. Bundles are a great way to sell several products or services together as a single package, while still keeping your accounting clean and organized in the background. Let's start from your main QuickBooks Online dashboard. First, we need to get to the Products and Services page. Look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the small gear icon, which is your settings menu. When that opens, you'll see several columns. Under the column labeled Lists, click on Products and Services. This is where all of your existing items live, and it's also where we'll create your new bundle. Once you're on the Products and Services page, go to the top right and click the New button. This opens a menu of different item types you can create. From that drop-down, choose Bundle. A bundle is simply a group of products and services that you want to sell together as one line item on an invoice or sales receipt. Now you'll see the bundle setup screen where you can fill in all the details. Start with the name field. Enter something clear and descriptive so you and your team can recognize it later. For example, you might call it gift basket or consulting package. Choose a name that makes sense for how you actually talk about this bundle with your customers. Next, move down to the Products and Services section. Here, you'll use the drop-down to search for and select each item you want to include in the bundle. These are items you've already set up in your Products and Services list. After you add each one, make sure to enter the correct quantity. For instance, if your bundle includes 3 of a certain product and 1 of another, update those quantities so QuickBooks can track them properly. You'll also see an option called Display Bundle Components when printing or sending transactions. If you check this box, your customer will see each individual item and its price listed on their invoice or receipt. If you leave it unchecked, they'll just see the single bundle name with one total price. Choose the option that best fits how transparent you want to be with your pricing. When everything looks good, go to the bottom of the form. Click Save and Close if you're finished, and you'll be taken back to your Products and Services list. If you want to keep going and set up another bundle right away, click Save and New to start a fresh one using the same process.